What's going on, everyone? I just thought of the quickest way to make a Whirlpool arm. Let's go! No time. This is going to be the quickest video ever. We're just going to make a Whirlpool arm for your Grainfather G30, maybe G40. I don't know the type of hoses they have. This will work with anything that has a recirculation hose that's around 3/8 inches. That's what I'm using, 3/8 inch stainless steel to make a really quick Whirlpool arm. Don't know how good it's going to work. So without further ado, let's go. For this one, I'm only going to use the basically leftover piece from my chiller. Check out the video here. Or there. But basically I have this left over and I should be able to make a little Whirlpool arm out of it. It's basically just going to stick in the end of the hose. We're going to take a pipe bender. These are about 20 bucks, so if you don't have the gear at all, this is going to cost you about 20 bucks, plus whatever a tiny piece of stainless steel costs. So let's see if I can bend it. Probably don't need to watch any more video to figure out how it's going to be done. There it is, it's in the bender. Have a look at that. Let's go 90 degrees. Wow, that bent 90 degrees. Super exciting. So once you have that bent to 90 degrees, you take it out of here and you got a 90-degree bend. You could probably trim this down a bit, but I'm going to leave some of the length in here. Might give it a better chance of working on the Whirlpool. And it is just a floppy hose, so we'll see how that works. Let's go see how it works. This is the beer I just made tonight. Just figured I'd get this thing out of the way. So when I'm doing my Grainfather, I basically, for the circulation, I have it hooked up to a table, put it down through here so it goes in nicely, and really all we got to do is tuck this into there and see if it stays on. You might need a little stainless steel hose clamp, but I believe this is going to work fairly well. And then that should go into there. I'm going to twist it a little bit so it's in there just right. And then let's try to recirculate. I'm going to start it off slow and see how that works.
And as you can see in super speed, it looks like it's whirlpooling pretty good, but when you slow it down, it's just pretty slow. The pump isn't too crazy, but it works, and now we empty it out and you can see the hop cone just starting to form at the end here. Oh yeah, it looks pretty good.
So that one there is probably my quickest non-short video. This little bendy pipe seemed to do a pretty good job for making a hop cone in the Grainfather. Let me know if it works on anybody else's systems or any other type of systems that the recirc line is about 3/8 that'll fit a pipe like this, and it might be able to work. Anyway, kind of specific, kind of whatever. Don't forget to subscribe, like the video if it helped you out, and check out partytimebrewing.com for this kind of hat. Or look in the video description and you'll see some other stuff. Anyway, thanks a lot. Oh, and don't forget to check out this video. Subscribe.